Once you've defined an origin in the room, you can identify surfaces for the analysis. When creating an origin with a point cloud, we automatically create the three surfaces that you've selected: the front wall, the left wall, and the floor. These can be renamed, and they can also be deleted. So we can create a new surface by selecting the new surface and typing in a name. And you can define the surface from a point cloud by picking on the surface like we did for the origin. If you have a line or wall drawn in your scene from, say, total station points or hand measurements, you can select that line, or you can use 3 points to define the plane. So for this example, I'll use 3 points. Once a surface is created, we're going to be adding images and stains of the impact pattern to the surface. So from here, we can also decide if we want the stains to show up, what color we want them to be with their trajectory lines, and the length of the trajectory lines from the stains. We also want to make sure that we have this checked, align view to surface, so it automatically will align itself straight on with that surface, and you can add images and stains accurately. So I have my 3 points selected, and I'll hit OK. So I'm going to orbit by holding the Shift key and the middle mouse button so I can look at the wall a little more straight on. And then I'm going to pick my first point on the wall. I'm going to pick a line horizontal and a line vertical. So now my surface is created for the front wall. I can also return to the surface dialog and make changes to existing surfaces, or if I've orbited in my scene and I want to realign myself, by hitting OK, it will realign to that surface you've selected.